Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a signed-in Google account and photos organized by folder. First, choose the fastest route: web upload for a few files, backup and sync for continuous backup, or the Drive mobile app for on-device transfer. Once chosen, open Drive, select New, then File Upload or Folder Upload. Pick the prepared folder. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable to avoid partial uploads, and monitor the progress bar so you know when the first batch finishes. Now focus on structure and format. Create a clear folder hierarchy and rename files with dates or keywords so search returns accurate results. If your device produces hike photos and others need JPG, convert before or after upload to avoid viewing issues. Drive stores originals, but compatibility matters for collaborators. Once done, set permissions, private, shared link, or specific people, and consider enabling offline access for key albums so you can view. Finish by validating your upload. Compare file sizes and a quick visual check in Drive. Use the activity feed to catch failed transfers or duplicates and tidy up with bulk moves or renames. If something goes wrong, first pause sync, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, then retry the upload. That fixes most stalls. Finally, make a habit of periodic backups and version checks so future problems are easier to diagnose and you retain the photos you care about.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.